Hi everyone, and welcome to tutorial number 3 of the Learn Java for Beginners course. In this tutorial, we're going to be learning about variables. The first thing that you'll need to do, as usual, is start up your engine, your Java engine, and open up a new project. Once you've finished typing in your main method and you've got everything ready, we're ready to start learning about variables. You could think about variables as storage units. You can assign values to variables which the variable stores in its memory and it saves. Here is an example of a variable. I'll go through with you through the parts of a variable. The first part of the variable is when you have to type in the specific data type of the value that you're assigning to your variable. So you have to specify the value that you're assigning to your variable. And since we're assigning 5 to our variable, and 5 is an integer, we need to type in int. If we were to assign the value true, then true wouldn't be an int anymore. It would be a boolean, which is why we would type a boolean if this was true. But we assigned the value number 5, and 5 is an integer, which is why we typed in int. You can do many things with these variables. You can add them, you can do operations on them, or you could even print them. We're going to print them using the print statement that we learned in tutorial number 1. We want to print out x. One thing you should know when you're printing out variables. In tutorial number 1, we learned how to print out a string, which is why we needed the double quotes. But when you're typing, when you want to print out a variable, you don't need to add any quotes. You just need to add the name of the variable, which is x in this case. So we're just going to save it, and we're going to run it. And as you can see, it printed out 5 because the computer saw that you gave the variable x, you assigned the value 5 to the variable x, and then on the next line you're telling the computer to print out x, which is why it prints out x, and which is why it prints out 5, because 5 is the assigned value of x. You can do more things with these variables. For example, you can add and subtract them. We'll just delete that print statement. We're gonna type in a new variable. Int y is equal to 4. Now we have two number variables. One is assigned one is 5 and one is 4. So x is equal to 5, y is equal to 4. And as I was saying, you can add variables together too. So all you have to do is system.out, type in the print statement. As you can see, inside the print statement, we didn't type in just x or just y. We wanted to get the answer of x plus y, so we typed in x plus y. The computer will see that you wanted it to print out x plus y, and it will find out what the values of these two variables were. So it will print out what 5 plus 4 is. So it will print out 9. Let's try this. As you can see, it printed out 9. That is a quick overview on variables and how variables work, and that is also the end of tutorial and episode number 3 of the Learn Java for Beginners course. I will be back with tutorial number 4 on this course very soon. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. If you learned a lot, please like this video. And again, I'll be back with tutorial number 4 very soon.